This picture, what we talked about today, is an Israeli highway that goes through, that creates that comfort zone that would then open this whole area to Israeli settlement. And that you see on the map is called the Eastern Ring Road, this red. And in fact, it doesn't go quite like this. Here's Salim's house. That's the road that goes under Salim's house. You see, that's the first northern part they're starting, and then it's going to come down and go through. It'll go around the Mount of Olives, and you see that road down below that kind of cuts through, that isn't paved for the most part. That will become the highway. Then there'll be a flyover, kind of a bridge, going over this valley up to here, and then the highway continues south to the settlement. There is a highway already south to the settlements. So it'll be like a north-south highway that cuts right through East Jerusalem and then connects up with all the other Israeli highways. So now you'll be able to drive in, get home in an Israeli comfort zone. And that will open because the problem here is that between the old city and Ma'ale Adumim, there's only Palestinians. There's no Israelis. There's no buffer. There's nothing to prevent the Palestinians from connecting to the old city. So you put in the wall, you put in the border of the city, put in a highway. The Palestinian area and prevents them from coming together. That's the idea. So so that road will be in there. Then this will all begin to be developed for Israelis, including this whole hillside that then connects up with other dots of settlements down below. So this is the matrix of control. It's a matrix, very well planned and integrated. Highways, strategically located settlements, how you can find Palestinians, roads that go over or roads that go below. It's amazing how you can take one little area that's compact and separate populations so starkly, and yet the separation isn't only with a wall. The separations can also be above below. The highways going above and below, and in other words, all kinds of ways of having people almost in the same social space, but moving in separate spheres. The same highway below Salim and Arabia's house with a wall down the middle. So there's both Israeli and Palestinian traffic, but on different sides of the wall. That kind of a thing. So it's really an amazing experiment in separation. It's even more than apartheid. Everybody that knows South Africa says there was never this degree of separation in South Africa as there is here.
Jeff, with this new beginning something, aren't they going to feel quite vulnerable if they develop it here because they're the wrong side of the wall, or will they then?
No, they're the right side of the wall.
No, this is not
this.
Because this side, surely, this side.
You